Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to knit a very simple buttonhole. We're gonna start with knitting 2 stitches and then we're gonna knit a third one and then take the second one over the third one. So we're closing 1 stitch off. When I've closed the stitch, we're gonna twirl the yarn around the needle and then we're gonna continue with our knitting. After we made the opening for the buttonhole, we're gonna continue with the knitting and then we're gonna knit back to the buttonhole again because we're gonna knit over the loop we made. We knitted back to our buttonhole and we're gonna knit over our loop. So I prefer to put the needle in the back of the loop and then make a stitch. There's a million ways to do a buttonhole. This is just one way. This is a very simple way. Thank you for watching and let us know in the comments if there's anything you want to learn.